If you've ever found yourself tired of paying fees and waiting for standard bank transfer times when you're ready to buy crypto right now, then there's some good news. The Crypto.com app now offers instant deposits to users via ACH bank transfer. You see, this new feature allows you to connect your bank account to your Crypto.com app, and it allows you to receive funds immediately to use for crypto purchases. And best of all, guys, when purchasing crypto with instant deposits from your bank, the Crypto.com app doesn't charge any fees. So if you've been looking to buy crypto immediately while at the same time paying zero fees, then this new solution is definitely worth exploring. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up instant deposit on your own Crypto.com app so you can start having access to instant deposits as well. I'd also like to thank Crypto.com for sponsoring today's video and allowing me to share their new instant deposit feature with you guys. So when it comes down to it, instant deposit basically credits your account with the amount you deposited before the funds are actually settled. And this gives you immediate access to your money and allows you to use those funds immediately to purchase the crypto of your choice. So if you're ready to get started, let's go. So to first set up instant deposit on your Crypto.com app, you're just going to follow a few simple steps. Firstly, you're going to click on the account button on your app where it says account on the bottom of the app. You're then going to click on over to where it says fiat wallet. Once you go into your fiat wallet, you then just have to click on where it says transfer on the upper right corner. And once you click on transfer, you want to click on deposit. So once you click on the deposit button, it's then going to ask you to select your currency. Now I'm in the United States, so I would choose United States dollar as you could see, but depending on your country, you would choose your country's currency. After this, it's going to ask you to link your bank account. From there, you'll be able to choose a dollar amount. And once you confirm your linked bank account, you will then have access to instant deposits on the Crypto.com app. And that's basically it. Once you link your bank account, you confirm it, and you make your first deposit, your funds will then be available for instant crypto purchases. And again, when purchasing crypto with instant deposits from your bank, the Crypto.com app doesn't charge any fees, guys. The next thing you might be wondering is, what's the difference between their new instant deposit feature compared to standard ACH bank transfers and wire transfers? Well, the main difference between them is that wire transfers and ACH bank transfers, they are initiated from your bank. On the other hand, this instant deposit feature, they are initiated directly from Crypto.com's app. Now, standard ACH and wire transfers can also take up to 5 business days to settle before the funds are ready to be used in your Crypto.com app. Instant deposits, on the other hand, allow you to use these funds right away after you initiate the deposit. Now, although you have instant access to purchasing crypto with your freshly deposited funds, there are some limits you need to be aware of when it comes to the new instant deposits feature. So firstly, guys, the minimum deposit amount that you can transfer instantly through the app instant deposit is $20, and the maximum you can transfer is up to $50,000 per day and up to $500,000 per month. Secondly, you can link anywhere from 1 bank account all the way up to 5 bank accounts to your Crypto.com app. And the third limitation is that when you initiate an instant deposit, you'll have instant access to purchasing your crypto, but you'll be restricted from withdrawing the funds back to your bank account for 5 business days. And the reason for this, guys, is because that while the funds are instantly available to you, they still need time to actually settle from the bank transfer. In fact, after you make your instant deposit, you might see a pending balance in the app itself, and this pending balance is simply your deposited funds that have not yet been settled, because this settling process typically takes between 3 to 5 business days. Now, if you purchase cryptocurrency using your pending balance, you will not be able to withdraw or transfer the funds from your Crypto.com app wallet until after 5 business days after your deposit. And while this settling time is pretty standard for most financial institutions, it's a pretty nice trade-off, I'd say, that Crypto.com is giving you immediate access to your funds in the meantime. Now, if you'd like to try out the Crypto.com app for yourself and start accessing the instant deposits feature, you can get a $25 sign-up bonus when joining through my referral link down below in the video description. When you join Crypto.com using my special code EVERYDAY, you'll get $25 in free Crow coin deposited into your Crypto.com account when you sign up. Now, if you're not familiar with Crypto.com's Visa debit cards, I definitely recommend checking out this video right here, where I break down all the features their cards offer for everyday crypto users like you and me. From earning cash back on your everyday purchases to earning interest on your crypto, their cards make a great pairing with the Crypto.com app. So click on over and I'll see you in that video.